updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 10:39 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Wednesday, August 10th, 2016. A rainfall warning is continued for Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan, forecast for the city of Calgary for today, cloudy showers with a few thunderstorms beginning near noon. Wind north 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40. High 18, UV index 3 or moderate. For tonight, showers with a few thunderstorms ending this evening, then partly cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Wind north 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, becoming light this evening. Low 13. For Thursday, cloudy. 60% chance of showers in the afternoon with risk of a thunderstorm. High 20. The outlook for Thursday night, cloudy periods. Low 12. For Friday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 22. For Friday night, clear. Low 12. For Saturday, sunny. High 26. For Saturday night, clear. Low 13. For Sunday, sunny. High 25. For Sunday night, cloudy periods with 30% chance of showers. Low 10. For Monday, a mix of sun and cloud. High 25. For Monday night, clear. Low 10. For Tuesday, sunny. High 26. Normals for the period, low 9, high 23. Weather conditions at 12 noon. Calgary, mostly cloudy, temperature 16, wind north 16 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 73%, barometric pressure 101.3 kilopascals and rising. Springbank, cloudy 17, wind north-northwest 26 kilometers per hour. Banff, temperature 14, wind northeast 1 kilometer per hour. Canada Olympic Park, 15, wind northeast 4 kilometers per hour. Bow Valley, 13, wind west-southwest 12 kilometers per hour. Forecast for the Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, and Sundre region. For today, mainly cloudy. A few showers beginning near noon. Risk of a thunderstorm this afternoon. Wind becoming north 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40 early this afternoon. High 20, UV index 3 or moderate. For tonight, a few showers ending this evening, then partly cloudy with 30% chance of showers. Risk of a thunderstorm early this evening. Wind north 20 kilometers per hour, gusting to 40, becoming light this evening. Low 10. For Thursday, mainly cloudy. 60% chance of showers in the afternoon with risk of a thunderstorm. High 19. Forecast for the Banff National Park for today, mainly cloudy. A few showers beginning near noon. Risk of a thunderstorm. High 17. UV index 3 or moderate. For tonight, showers. Risk of a thunderstorm this evening. Low 10. For Thursday, cloudy. 40% chance of showers late in the afternoon with risk of a thunderstorm. High 19. Weather conditions at 12 noon. Sundre, temperature 15, wind west-northwest 23, gusting to 35 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 71%. Drumheller, 17, wind southeast 3 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 78%. Brooks, 16, wind east 1 kilometer per hour, relative humidity 86%. Lethbridge, light rain showers 14, wind west 13 kilometers per hour, relative humidity 91%. Red Deer, mostly cloudy 18, wind north 8 kilometers per hour, relative humidity